Happy holidays! It's time to start pulling out your favorite Lemax collection pieces and creating really fun displays. I'm here with another DIY project. This one is so easy, I promise anyone can do it. The theme of today's village is the North Pole, and we're going to be making an easy countdown to Christmas. The best part about this is you can make your countdown as short or as long as you want. Today we're going to do 7 days. So for this project, we're going to be using our favorite North Pole themed pieces plus a lot of accessories. You're going to need some small holiday boxes like I have here, and you can even take containers like an oats container, cover it with paper on the sides and the lid. All right, are you guys ready? Let's get started. For our first countdown box, we're actually using a oats container. I cut it down in half, covered it with some red cardstock, and then put a fun holiday cardstock on the front. So we're gonna fill it with some snow. So I have some faux snow here. And within each one of our containers, we're gonna create a little holiday scene. And for this one, we're gonna put our fun Santa Express inside. How cute is this? It even has the sidecar for Santa's little helper. We'll nuzzle that right in the snow, make sure it's nice and planted. Then before we put the lid on, we've got to put a number on. So I've got some number stickers. I'm gonna take number 1 and put that right in the center. And then pop on my lid. Next, we're gonna take one of our boxes and put our box together and create another little scene. And I'm gonna do this for 7 different days. And then we want to lay our box down so that when we open the lid, the flap is at the end. We're going to put some snow in here. We're going to put a little tree in the very back. And this is the perfect spot for chocolate to go. And as you can see, Mrs. Claus is giving Santa his hot chocolate to go. And then we're going to close up our box, put our lid in, and we're going to put our number 2 sticker on. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and make 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now it's time to build our North Pole countdown. We're starting our display by creating a scene in a gift box. We've got our Santa Don't Forget These piece and snack time. Oh, look at that reindeer snacking on that snowman. For the center of our display, we're using one of the Lemax styrofoam displays, which looks so snowy and fun. Perfect for the North Pole skating rink. How cute are these skaters? They're magnetic, and we're gonna add a few little accessories around the rink. And these fun magnetic skaters skate around when you turn it on. The North Pole mailroom. This piece is absolutely magical and straight out of the North Pole. It lights up and plays music. And to build up the walkway to the mailroom, I'm going to add 2 of the smaller, snowy styrofoam platforms right in front. All right, it's time to accessorize and create our countdown. We're gonna start by putting our 7 countdown boxes all throughout our North Pole setup. Next, I'm gonna add in some different accessories and then finish our Winter Wonderland North Pole display with some magical snow. Let the countdown to the most magical day of the year begin. I feel like I'm right in the middle of the North Pole getting ready for the most magical day of the year. I love how my countdown turned out, and remember, you can make yours longer if you'd like or even shorter. The magic is up to you. Remember that you can find out more about all the Lemax pieces that I used today on Lemax's website. You can also find authorized retailers on where you can purchase these pieces. Okay. All that's left to do is to count down to Christmas. Let's start with day 7.